Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today I'm going to share with y'all a great lemonade recipe that'll be perfect for your 4th of July cookout or any day in the summer months. We're going to make mixed berry lemonade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and loaded with fresh berry flavor. It's going to have 3 types of berries. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect to serve at any summer barbecue cookouts, pool parties, fish fries, and more. It will quench up your thirst and keep you cool. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more lemonade recipes, check out my lemonade recipes playlist and my previous video, Mixed Berry Pie. I'll also post a link to that down in the description box below. So grab your pitcher, your berries, and get your lemons juicing up sugar because we're about to make some mixed berry lemonade magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make the berry puree. In my blender, or you can use a food processor, we're going to add in our fresh berries, a half a pint of strawberries, and a pint each of raspberries and blueberries. And we're going to puree them until they're well blended. Let it rip. All right, my friends, the berries is nice and pureed. See? That looks great. Now we're going to strain it. We're going to pour it into my large bowl and strain it using my mesh strainer to get rid of the excess pulp. All right, my friends, I am through straining my berry puree. Now I'm going to place this in the refrigerator and let it chill. And while that's chilling, I'm going to juice up my lemons. Over here on my cutting board, I have 7 large lemons. We need 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. So we're going to roll it, and rolling it will give it a nice juicier lemon. And we're going to cut it in half and squeeze it into my measuring cup and using the mesh strainer to catch the seeds, like so. All right, as soon as I get through squeezing the rest of my lemons, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through squeezing my lemons. We have exactly 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Perfect. Now we're going to set this aside while we make our simple syrup. In my medium saucepan, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. That's a half a cup. And 1/4 of a cup. And into our sugar, we're going to add in 1 cup of water. Give it a stir until it's well incorporated. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, the liquid has came to a boil, so now we're going to let it cook until the sugar dissolves, about 2 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 2 minutes. All the sugar has dissolved. Now I'm going to cut my fire off. We are ready to assemble our lemonade. I got my pitcher right here. We're going to add in our simple syrup. Next, we're going to add in 4 cups of cold water, our 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, and to give our lemonade a little extra flavor and kick, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure lemon extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And last but not least, our pureed berries. Give it a good stir until everything is well incorporated. And that's it, my friends. Our lemonade is done. It is ready to serve. So now I'm going to place it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few minutes. And then I'll get my mason jars ready and we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my mason jars right here, or you can use glasses. I fill them up with ice. So now we're going to pour our cold lemonade. And there's a few more things we gotta add to it. A strawberry, some blueberries, some raspberries, a lemon wedge, some fresh mint leaves, and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh mixed berry lemonade. Don't that look good? And gorgeous color. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Crisp, refreshing, has a nice sweet and tart balance. I can taste all 3 berries. Nothing like a cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Mixed berry lemonade-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy 4th of July.